Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn FEMA Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 definitions. It will be a short video, so come with me and revise. We'll revise it together. So first one is authorized person. Authorized person क्या होता है? First, authorized dealer, money changer, offshore banking unit or any other person. So come with me. Authorized person is authorized dealer, money changer, offshore banking unit, and any other person. So this is clear. बहुत easy है, ये आप आराम से लिख सकते हो. Then after that, capital account transactions. Capital account transactions means a transaction which alters the assets or liability, including contingent liability, outside India of a person resident in India or asset or liability in India of person resident outside India and includes transaction referred in subsection 3 of section 6. सो कैपिटल अकाउंट ट्रांजैक्शंस क्या होती हैं? ट्रांजैक्शंस जो ऑल्टर होती हैं एसेट्स और लाइबिलिटीज़ में क्या आता है? कंटिजेंट लाइबिलिटी आउटसाइड इंडिया ऑफ अ पर्सन रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया और asset or liability in India of person resident outside in India. Clear? Current account transactions means a transaction other than capital transactions and without prejudice to generality of a foregoing. Such transaction includes payment. First is payment due in connection with foreign trade, other current businesses, services, and short term banking and credit facilities in the ordinary course of business. Short term means 6 months. Payment due. Second is payment due as interest on loans and as a net income of investment. Payment due as interest on net loan, and as in net income from investment. Net income from investment. Remittance of for living expense for parents, spouse, and children residing abroad. Remittance for living expense of parents, spouse, and child living abroad. Expenses in connection with foreign travel, education, and medical care of parents, spouse, or children. So these are the four definitions, four pointers of current account: payment due in connection with foreign trade, other current business, services, and short-term banking and credit facility in ordinary course of business. After that, payment due as interest on loans as net income from investments. Remittance for living expense of parents, spouse, and children living abroad. Expenses in connection for foreign travel, education, and medical care of parents, spouse, and children. Now we come to person resident in India. What is person resident in India? A person resident in India for more than 82 days. Person resident in India for more than 82 days during the course of preceding financial year, but does not include a person who has gone out of India or who stays outside India in either case. First case, for on for or taking up an employment outside India, or for carrying out on outside India a business or vocation outside India, or for any other purpose in such circumstances as would indicate his intention to stay outside India for any uncertain period. And then the second is a person who has come to or stays in India in either case, otherwise for or on taking up employment in India, or for carrying on in India a business or a vocation in India, for any other purpose in such circumstances as would indicate his intention to stay in India for any uncertain period. Any person or a body corporate registered or corporate in India. Any person or a body corporate or corporated in India. An office, branch, or agency in India owned or controlled by person resident in India. And an office, branch, or agency in India owned or controlled by outside India. Clear? So you need the CMA book with yourself to learn these definition. Person of an Indian origin. Person of an Indian origin means a citizen of any country other than Bangladesh or Pakistan. If he at any time held an Indian passport, or he or either his parents or any of his grandparents was a citizen of by virtue of the Constitution of India or a Citizenship Act. That is, ये जो डेफिनेशन है वो प्रॉपरली जो है, जो पार्टीशन नहीं हुआ था वो कंट्री के मेंबर्स के लिए है. दैट्स इट गाइस. आई होप ये थोड़ा सा होगा कि इंग्लिश में था. आई रेड ऑल द पेजेस एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो रीड विद मी सो दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट विद मी. मैं अभी समझा नहीं सकती बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी रिविजन वीडियो कि एक बारी में आपको पूरा